What's up, guys? Your boy Cody here with Wilson's Rustic Renovations and the Blue Collar Breakdown, guys. We're back to work. And check it out, guys. Check out this roof. Look at this beautiful roof, guys. And this company is licensed and insured. I don't know what anybody else talk about. The work speaks for itself, okay? Look at this beautiful shit. Look at it, guys. Look at it. We're gonna be doing the whole thing, I believe. We're doing a whole roof here. So once we're done, guys, we'll show you the finished product and everything. And if you're in the Salem, Missouri, Rolla area, Wilson's Rustic Renovations, guys. We do a good job every time. Check it out, guys. We already have that finished. I didn't get a before video because I forgot. We got excited to get to work. Me and Dan like to hit the ground running, guys. So that being said, we're gonna get before pictures and videos of this so you can see what's going on. Check it out. Wait until we're done with it, guys. It's gonna look beautiful, and we'll probably hit that gutter too, just because we're nice. What's up, guys? We're on the roof now. I hate heights, guys. Sorry about that. Oh boy, hey, this ain't too bad. This pitch isn't too bad. What would you boys say? About a 6? We're up here pretty high, guys. We're getting this swept off. I'm sweeping this off right here, and then we'll start laying the metal, and then it will be really dangerous up here, I feel like. You know what I'm saying? What's up, guys? We got the roof halfway done. We're getting there. My boss Dan's up there getting them all screwed in. I'm passing them up to him. We're gonna get this I believe this half done today, and then we got the back end done, guys. Look at that. Look how beautiful that looks, guys. You know you need a new metal roof, especially blue ones, because that way your house won't get lasered down. What's up, guys? We're back. We ended up doing the other side. Look at it, guys. It's coming out great, guys. Look at this. All right, guys, we got a lot more to do today. We have to leave here, and we'll have to go get those work on getting those storage units, guys. Over there. What's up, guys? Day 2, we're back. Check it out, guys. We're getting there. We're almost done. A little bit chillier morning this morning, but it's not too bad. We still have that little piece up there to do. And then we still have the back. I gotta get that swept off and cleaned off and stuff like that. And I think the cap as well. We still gotta do the cap. But we're getting there. I think it looks great with the black and white. I think it's really gonna pop, guys. Look at that. I'd like to do that to my house, honestly. But I'd probably do different siding. You know what I mean? So, guys, we're building kind of like a ladder, so he can get up this roof safely. Get it finished up, guys. Check it out. Almost done. Still got the cap on there. Finish those small pieces right there, but after that, we'll be getting done. This is the view I'm looking at today, guys. So, hey, till you get the job done, guys. Check it out. Definitely braver than I am. We're almost done, guys. We're putting the cap on right now. I'll be glad when he don't have to be up there. I worry about him being safe, you know. That guy over there was talking shit, but actually we do a really good job, and we've always had satisfied customers. I've been working for this for Wilson's Rustic Renovations for over a year now, and I haven't had no complaints. So, you know, look at this. It looks great, guys. I wish I had a roof like this. Shit. What's up, guys? Your boy Cody here, working for Wilson's Rustic Renovations today, guys. That's why I haven't been online. We will be going live today after I get off here. But yeah, we're located in Salem, Missouri, guys. If you need work done, get a hold of me, and I can patch you through to the right person, guys. What's up, guys? You're back with your boy Cody and Wilson's Rustic Renovations and the Blue Collar Breakdown, guys. Today we're putting a metal roof on. Right now doing the finishing touches on the bottom. I'm putting screws on the bottom, and my boss, he's in the back finishing up a small roof. Our company, his company has licenses insured, and he does good business, guys. So, gotta get up here.
He's going up the ladder.
It's pretty sketchy.
I
Gotta
wouldn't
move our ladder
do
down.
it. Just be careful with that.
Ladder down. Make sure the ladder's secure. Make sure it's somewhat secure. And
I don't know if it really is. You,
we're all right. Okay, I'm coming. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and sheet real quick.
yeah. I can always pause it, you know, till we get back. All right. Do. Don't. Twiggy. Bottle. All about teamwork.
Trying to beat him.
Yeah, you know, I don't know. I would say that it's even at that point.
I don't know if we will.
Man, that ladder's scary, babe. Nope. Was holding it a little bit, so I didn't do that, but you got better footing on it now, so.
I'm like a spider monkey.
Well, I wish I was.
I climb all over you, boy.
Yeah. That dexterity, you know. And flexibility. I just seen if
You
you're.
want to make sure they're in, but they're not so far in it makes the roof dent.
Yeah.
And then you want to make sure about 6 inches up from the bottom.
Okay.
So.
Why?
That way it's not coming up on the bottom.
Oh.
Well, let's put screws in it.
Well, I mean, I know why
Okay, now
people
we're
put
going down
screws in it, but, you know. Me, I'd be probably screwing it in there so tight and then it makes it dented, yeah, because I've definitely done that before.
Yeah, it's easy to do.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And show them the sidewalk. See, the sidewalk, guys, is busted. It's kind of at an angle. So you kind of got to set your ladder at an angle as well.
Yep.
And we're-
I'll make sure that doesn't wiggle too much. You know. Don't want to get hurt. I'll go.
Alright, that ain't gonna work.
Yeesh.
Hold on.
Oh, I heard that.
Keep moving. Shit. Hold on. What we're gonna do is we're gonna move closer. We're right on the area where we need to be.
That's a good idea. Just use that as a support.
That's better.
Would hope so.
Now make sure you're staying even. Make sure these are going flat. There's little rubber gaskets that are in between the where the screw in the metal goes. You want to make sure those are down.
Yeah, I think you're doing a pretty good job, babe. It's flattened. You know.
Alright. Yeah, we gotta go up a little bit more. I smell straight shit.
I hope it's not on my shoes. I hope it's not me.
Man, look.
I mean, you got mud in your boots. If you did step on dog poop, I don't know. Oh, sorry, boo. I don't know, it's one of us anyway. Probably. But I can't tell if it's mud or dog poop. That's the hard part.
Yeah. Yeah, we gotta go back up more. I said that before.
I know, honey. It's alright. Yeah, I know what you mean. I smell it too, man. Then again, you never know. It might be hidden in the leaves or something. It's probably on my shoes. It's like fascinating. Not. It's like, oh no, not the hidden cat dogs. I gotta get out of the way.
Oh.
So boss man can move. I was talking about you.
Huh?
I said I was talking about you. Not the other person. Not Jay.
Okay.
Huh, you know.
Yeah, there's two more.
Mm-hmm.
I'm coming.
He's like, I need another chunk.
All right, guys. You can see what we're doing today. Go ahead and pause it.
Yep.
What's up, guys? This is a 3-day job, but it looks like it only took 2, guys. Leave your comments below. Haters are gonna hate, but guys, this looks great. Look at that. Look how beautiful it is. Look at that cap up there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. We're in the Salem, Missouri area. We service Rolla, Licking, possibly out in Odensville, stuff like that. Guys, get a hold of us. Wilson's Rustic Renovations. Follow me. The Blue Collar Breakdown, guys. The Blue Collar Breakdown.